What are market potential and opportunities for commercial goat farming? Goat farming is a lucrative and growing industry with vast market potential and opportunities. In this lesson, we will explore the market potential and opportunities available in commercial goat farming. The global demand for goat products including milk, meat, and fiber continues to increase, driven by the rising population, changing dietary preferences, and the growing awareness of health benefits of goat products. One of the key markets for goat milk is the dairy industry. Goat milk is high in nutrients and has a unique taste, making it a popular alternative to cow's milk. The market demand for goat milk and dairy products such as cheese, yogurt, and ice cream continues to grow. The meat industry is another significant market for commercial goat farming. Goat meat is lean, high in protein, and low in fat, making it a popular choice among health-conscious consumers. The market demand for goat meat, particularly in developing countries, is increasing due to the rising population, urbanization, and changing dietary habits. Goat fiber such as cashmere and mohair is another valuable product of commercial goat farming. These fibers are highly prized for their softness, warmth, and durability, and are used to produce high-end clothing and textiles. In addition to these markets, there are also emerging opportunities in goat breeding, genetics, and biotechnology. This means you can raise goats of better breeds and genetics that you can sell to other goat farmers. As the demand for high quality and productive goats increases, farmers can leverage new technologies and breeding techniques to enhance their production and profitability. As you can see, the market potential and opportunities in commercial goat farming are vast and varied. By focusing on high quality and sustainable production, farmers can tap into these markets and benefit from the growing demand for goat products. Next, we shall look at the advantages and disadvantages of commercial goat farming. Be sure to like the video, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Have a good one.